Hello everyone. I am Gabby Bad, currently on this platform. Welcome back to my channel. This is a different type of video. I know you're like, what the hell is going on? I am doing my nails today. If anyone knows me in real life or hasn't, I used to be in nail school. I went to a school called Trendsetters Academy back in 2014, 2015. I got my permit, I got my license, but I never did nothing with it. But I've always had a little passion for nails here and there. I just lost the passion for the clients. But now I'm in hair, so it's like the nails is like a stepping stool for me to come to Gabby Bad Curly, because it was at first gonna be Gabby Bad Nails. So fun fact, these are my natural nails. They're kind of broken, crooked. Cut them, and we're gonna put on press-on nails. These are from Shein. I got these for like 32 cents with my Shein Clubs member rewards. They're probably like $1 something now. I will screenshot the exact. I'm just gonna show you all how I prep my nails, how I do them. So these are what the nails look like straight out the box. This video is so weird for me because I'm so used to like showing my face. These are the nails. These are beautiful. They're like, they have clouds in them, and it's like a French tip. It's really cute, really nice for spring, summertime. I think these would be really, really pretty. But before I put these on, we have to prep my real nails. So my real nails, I'm just gonna cut them all short down. It's just easier for me to cut my nails shorter just to put the press-ons to fit right, and it won't be like a big old gap. So first I'm gonna clean off my area, trim my nails. Y'all gonna see the whole process, okay? Always clean off your workstation, okay? Sanitize and disinfection is the key. 90% alcohol. It's probably 100%, but I just use this bottle to refill it and have a spray. So I usually spray off my hands, start cutting. These are my toe clippers. I like the toe clippers better because they have more grip. I got these from Sally's. I hate it because my nails are naturally long. My 180/100 nail file. This is what I'm going to use to round off my nails. Yes, I know it's old, but hey. Do my sides. And then this helps the process to fit your press-ons. I always do the sides really, really good. You're gonna be using a lot of alcohol in this step. You don't want no nail dust to be on there to interfere. Then I use my cuticle pusher. I like the plastic ones better because it has this nice little tip on here. Nice tip right here. And then on this side is like a nice cuticle pusher. But I like to use this like underneath my nails. And then I like to push my cuticles with this side. I like these better than the metal ones because the metal ones are kind of painful to me. So I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. And then if I see any like skin tags or hangnails, I'm gonna use my nippers. Just trim them out. These are nippers. They're like nail pliers. I use them to like, you know, get around my cuticle area if I need to, if I gotta hang nails. I would definitely clean up your cuticle line if you need to. I will use these because it makes it look so much better without having hangnails. No one wants hangnails. It's not cute, baby. Not pretty. Then I go away in my buffer block so the nail glue can have something to stick on. You don't want the nail glue to stick on something slick surface. You want something to be kind of rough. Buff. See? Buff, not buff. See how shiny my nails are right here compared to this side? Yeah, you don't want this. I like to just size up my nails to see which nails fit and then press them on accordingly. Now, they came with these sticky tabs. Any nail glue is fine. I like to brush on, but this is a Kiss nail glue, brush on glue, and I like to use that to adhere my nails. We've already prepped them, we already buffed them, filed them, shaped them. So first, I just grab a nail, see if it fits snug, and if it don't, move on to the next one. Put a nice little dab in there. Grab my nail like this. And I literally slide it on. Beautiful. Beautiful. y'all think? Let's start. So far, they look really, really good. How the colors are not the same. I got two pinks. So we are done. I did the other hand off camera. So this is what they look like. It's kind of got the same thing. I got the pinkies on yellow, pink, pink. And everybody's saying it's giving Easter. I didn't even think about Easter at all. But they are giving Easter. If they last to Easter, I'll be happy. This includes my nail video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want more videos like this, please let me know. Comment down below if you like this video. I am Gabby Bad Curly, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See you soon.